Hello. So I'm gonna do a typewriter demo. This demo is not, or that this typewriter is not working that great. So I found another one. A couple of students are using it, so I wanted to show you how to implement it. So let's go look at the HTML. I've got it in this demo file that I'll add to the video. But basically it has a little bit of CSS. There's a text ID, a text after ID, and then some keyframes. That's all that needs to be added to your style. I'm just putting everything in one file to make it easier. And then this PID text down to the closing P is what you want to copy for the HTML. And then it uses jQuery. You don't need to add another link if you already have one. And then inside this script tag is all the scripts that should be added to your script file. And actually, to make things easier, I'm just going to save it like this, because you're not going to need that other part. Okay, so this is what you'll be working with. So let's grab, and let me see, actually, I wonder if I may have just... Okay, yeah, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so first let's get the CSS. Oh, there, copy. I'm gonna go to her file. And go to her CSS, and I'll just paste it right here. Okay, so there's that. And then let's grab the paragraph tag. It won't have to be a paragraph tag when you're done, but to make things simple, it's best to just get it working how it comes and then do your modification. So she's got this H2. I'm going to replace it with this paragraph right now, and we'll change that later. I just want to make sure that if nothing is different, does it still work? Okay, and then I'm going to grab all this JavaScript down to typing text. And we're going to put that in the script.js. I'm going to put it up here. And yeah, and so it is two functions. And then this is kind of calling the function. Okay, so let's just make sure that this works. Okay, so it's in white, but we can see it. Alright, so let's first change the text. So I want this to be an H2, so if I actually change this to H2, we should see her H2 style working. Okay, yeah, and it looks like it's using her font. So now the only thing we need to do is change this from this text to her about H1 or H2, and then there you go. Okay, I hope this was helpful. The cursor, if you want to change the color of it, right now it's set to be red. It's sort of whatever color your thing is. I suppose you could probably change the cursor color. I don't know, let's try it real quick. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll try it. So after the keyframes, I'll just do a cursor. Cursor color purple. Let's see. Oh, oh, I see. The cursor is like everything. So yeah, I don't know if you can change the color of the cursor versus the text. You might just be stuck with that, but at least it only types the word. Cursor. A-B-O-U-T. Okay, yeah. Oh, after. Yeah, you can actually. If I change this to cursor : after, that probably will change that color. And keep the other color. Yeah, there you go. So, cursor after. Purple. There you go. So if you want to change it to black or whatever, that is how you do that. I'll put that in the demo file. All right. Thank you.